In this video, I'm going to show you how to use eSignature tools for event waivers and releases quickly and efficiently. Whether you're hosting an event or managing a business, eSignature tools are the perfect solution to streamline the process of collecting signed waivers and releases without the hassle of paper forms. I've tried a few of the most popular eSignature tools, and today I'll walk you through the one I recommend. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with the signatures for your waivers and releases. First things first, let's talk about why e-signatures are so useful. Traditional paper waivers can be slow and inconvenient for both you and your participants. You have to print, distribute, and chase people for signatures. Plus, you're dealing with mountains of paperwork. With the signature tools, you can easily create, send, and track waivers electronically, saving you time and keeping things organized. Now, let's dive into how to use e-signature tools for your event waivers. Start by selecting the software we'll be using today. I'll link to a special free trial in the description below for you to follow along if you want to try this out for yourself. Once you're logged into the software, you'll see a simple interface that allows you to create a new document. Click on the Create New Document option, and you'll be prompted to upload your waiver or release form. This can be a PDF you've already created, or you can start fresh with a template the software provides. You can customize the waiver by adding fields where participants will sign, input their name, date, and any other information you need. For event waivers, it's essential to make sure you have sections for the participants' personal details, acknowledgement of risks, and a clear statement of consent. Once your document is ready, you can move on to the next step, sending it out for signatures. The software will allow you to input email addresses or share a link with the participants. This is where it gets even better. You can set up reminders to nudge participants who haven't signed yet, making it easier to stay on top of things. As soon as they open the email or click the link, they can sign the waiver directly on their phone, tablet, or computer. One of the great things about eSignature tools is the level of security they offer. Your signatures are legally binding, and the software will also keep a record of who signed and when, which is useful in case you need proof in the future. Once everyone has signed, you'll be able to download the completed waivers as PDFs or store them securely within the software. You can organize and access all your signed waivers in one place, making it easy to retrieve them at any time. If you've never used eSignature tools for event waivers and releases before, this process might sound like a lot, but it's simple once you try it out. And as I mentioned earlier, I've linked to an exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can give it a go for yourself. Key takeaway: eSignature tools make the entire process of collecting event waivers and releases easier, faster, and more secure. You save time, avoid paper clutter, and keep everything organized and accessible in one place. To quickly recap: 1. Choose the software you're using. Check the exclusive free trial link in the description. 2. Upload your waiver or use a template. 3. Add fields for signatures and participant info. 4. Send the document to participants for signing. 5. Track signatures and reminders. 6. Download and store the completed waivers. Remember, the exclusive free trial is in the description below, so make sure to take advantage of that and start using eSignature tools today.